Please subscribe for useful health tips and remedies. Today, we are going to learn how to soften beard hair naturally. Number 1. Olive oil massage. Take some olive oil and heat it for some time. Now massage your beard with the oil and leave it overnight. Wash off in the morning with lukewarm water. Massage your beard with olive oil on regular basis to keep it soft and black. Due to antioxidants and moisturizing properties found in olive oil, it can help to promote soft beard. Number 2. Honey and lemon for soft beard. Take some honey and add 1 spoon of lemon juice to it. Now massage your beard with this mixture and keep it for 10 minutes. Wash off with cold water. It promotes hair growth and also keep your beard soft. Number 3. Aloe Vera Gel. Using aloe vera gel on beard can help to keep your beard super soft and shiny. Take some aloe vera gel and massage your beard with this. Wash off with lukewarm water. Number 4. Shampoo your beard. Shampoo your beard at least twice a week. This will keep your beard soft and shiny. It is advisable to not use your regular shampoo on your beard. Instead, buy a good beard shampoo from the market, as they are especially made for being used on facial hair. Number 5. Use beard conditioner. Just like you use a conditioner on your hair after applying shampoo, implement a similar logic to your beard. Conditioners moisturize the beard and make it more manageable. This also helps in keeping your beard soft and improves the quality of your facial hair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.